Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I made my workbench. So first I had this desk that was far too nice. Then I put this ratty top on it and then realised I wanted to do something a little bit special. With a whole lot of different odd size scraps but beautiful timber, spotted gum, messmate, black butt, and Tassie oak, just to name a few. I basically just treated it like a giant jigsaw puzzle. I put things where I thought they'd fit. I wanted grain going in every different direction, and just something really unique. As you can see, it's incredibly solid. All the pieces are glued down and then screwed through the side into the base. And most of the gaps are actually pretty tight. Afterwards, I wish I had more uniform gaps, but it's too late for that now. So I actually reckon that looks pretty cool. Now, you also have to bear with me because this was before I started making videos, so all I've got is, thankfully, a large photo album to go through. But anyway, you can see I took to it with the planer, because I had all kinds of different heights from different pieces there. Took a lot of time sanding it back, and then decided to fill the gaps with black putty, which was an enormous job, and an even bigger job sanding that back. Well, that made things a bit easier, I'll admit. So once it was all sanded back, all it needed was a couple of coats of varnish. And I think that looks pretty cool. When it was built, people said it was too nice to work on, but it's been going for a couple of years now and hasn't let me down. I really like the look of it. Thanks for watching. Please join my social channels.